Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Samsung Galaxy A16 screen recorder option not showing problem. If you cannot find the screen recorder or your phone, don't worry, I will got you cover it. Okay, let's start. First, open your Google Play Store app and now search here X recorder. Okay. See, this is the X recorder. Now install your phone and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Now shutter open and click on the shutter. See, this is the problem, screen recorder option not showing. Okay, now install your phone X recorder. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel C X recorder. Okay.